So we just took in Joey Gonzalez's truck. It's a 1990 454 SS. This thing's gonna get the full build treatment. Big horsepower Don Hardy engine, sitting on the ground on 24-inch wheels, full interior, full paint from Eye Candy, everything. So might as well go do a burn on it real quick. So last minute, completely last minute. What is today? July 1st or something. But excited to be working for Joey. He's owned a couple of the vehicles that we've built, and he bought secondhand. So this is the first one that we're actually building for him. So pretty excited to get to do something for him. The truck should be pretty cool.